Hey, how's it going, guys? Inconsistent uploader here. And today we're going to be doing a setup tour. Now it's currently the 31st of December. It's about 7 in the morning. So I'm going to call this a 2019 setup tour because it's pretty much 2019. Why wouldn't it be? And I'm going to be adding onto it. Like, it's not anywhere near finished at the moment. Like, I'm getting a new monitor, a new chair, a new mix amp, probably even a new keyboard, so it's not really done. But this is kind of what I have right now, and just wanted to show you guys because I wanted to make an end of the year video and I didn't get around to recording one, so this is what I wanted to do for the end of the year. Like I said, it's not special and it's actually got a lot of issues right now, but this is pretty much how it is. So I suppose we'll start over here. The microphone is a Blue Yeti. It's made by the same company that makes Blue Snowballs, that really basic bitch YouTuber microphone that you see, and it works just as great. This is like around $50. You can probably find one for 40 or 30 on eBay, but still. This is the Microsoft Wireless Comfort Keyboard 5000. Yeah, nothing special. I don't even game on PC. I game on Xbox, so it's I don't really care. This is a wireless mouse. I have another one, but it's at my friend's house, and it's a lot bigger. This one's tiny. And we got a basic black mouse pad. This one's actually really fucking soft. And we got the light remote right here, so I'll just turn this off. I have lights lined up all around the table, right there. And I can change it to whatever color I want. We'll keep it at purple. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can't see because of how big the TV fucking is. And I am going to get a new monitor, one that's smaller. I do have two PCs in this setup. This one, which is connected to this TV through a VGA cord, and then I have this one. I only use this one for watching movies and other illegal activities. Here is where I do all my work. This is my Dell Precision M6800, and it has an Intel Core i7 4800MQ, I believe, and it's an AMD Radeon FirePro M6100. And it has another Intel graphics card that I'm actually not 100% sure on what it is. But if you do look this computer up, it does come stock with an NVIDIA graphics card. But this one was specially built for rendering, for engineering. And it works just as well for my gaming. It's actually a pretty beastly laptop. I could do all my editing and rendering on it. I can do all the After Effects I want. Pretty much anything. And it's fucking awesome. This computer is really crap. And it's pretty much just built for streaming. Not Twitch streaming, just streaming movies and shit. This one runs on Windows 10, or this one runs on Windows 10, and this one runs on Windows 7. I switched this one to Windows 10 because I wanted the Xbox app. Alright, here I'm doing a special video on the headset and the controller. The headset is not with its mix amp right now. This is the Astro A40 TRs, and these are supposed to have a special mix amp Pro or a Mixamp M80, but the Mixamp M80 is just like this. It's just like an adapter that connects right to the headset. It has special equalizers, but Mixamp Pro is a lot more powerful, and you can customize and make custom equalizers. That's why I'm getting Pro, and I'll be doing a video on this headset with, hopefully in the month, hopefully I can get the money together to buy the Pro. And the controller, this is going to be its own video on how to make a custom Xbox One Elite controller. You can see it has paddles. These are the you know what? I'll save that for the video. But it's got purple buttons, so fuck you. This is actually pretty neat. This is a USB extender from this computer. You see, the wireless mouse and wireless keyboard both have drivers that I wanted to switch from this computer to the other one because I don't like using trackpad and the computer. I usually keep it right here, and I don't like reaching over the desk to get to the keyboard. So this is the driver port. Now this is the driver that's currently in it for the mouse, so I can just switch it back and forth from whichever PC I want. And then the driver for the keyboard is currently plugged in right here. So that's why that is there. Here's my Xbox One. It's an original day one Xbox One. It's very old. In fact, this Xbox One is so old that it has connectivity issues with its Bluetooth, which is why I don't use wired controllers. Or why I don't use wireless controllers anymore. I always keep them wired. And the disk drive doesn't work. So I can't put new disk in this and have them work. This thing is very, very, very old. This is probably like the grandfather of consoles right here. I've had an original Xbox, and my original Xbox from fucking 2003 works better than this thing. I do have an Ethernet hooked up back here, so I have the quickest connection, even though I don't. And then over here, we have a capture card. This is the AGP Tech HD Capture, and under it, this is a 2 terabyte external hard drive to hold all of the shit that I record on this. Now, currently, I'm having issues with it because I can't actually record my mic. I can't plug my mic into it at the moment. My headset or my Blue Snowball mic. I can't plug those in yet, and I'm trying to figure out a way to rig that up. And I'm gonna get there eventually. But that is the capture card, and that's how it's all set up. Cable management wise, it's not bad, but it's not great. It could be better. And then basically just for decorations, I have all the boxes I've gotten. My broken pair of Beats, my lights, my paddle mod pack, and then my Astros. And this PC, for anyone who's wondering, is just, this PC is like nothing special. This is an office PC. It's just for like pretty much this. This is all I can do. You try to do anything else with it, like edit a video, and it'll act like it'll act like it doesn't like know what a keyboard is. It's horrible. Now, in the future, I do plan on getting an RGB keyboard so I can match these cycles that it goes through with different colors and flashes to the keyboard. I've kind of always wanted an RGB keyboard anyways. And then I'm getting a new 18 or 22 inch monitor to put right here so I can get this TV back over here or somewhere else. I just don't like it being here. It's too fucking big. But eventually I'm gonna get this TV out of here. I'm gonna get a new monitor. I also have a headset rack, and the mail should be here the 3rd, currently the 31st. When I get my monitor, it should be a lot easier to sort all this stuff because this desk is very big. I'm also getting a new chair within the next week or two, hopefully. I might end up getting some more RGB stuff like this in the future, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, we also have swords. See, now this one goes on your arm, and the desk is nothing special. It's actually something I got from my mom's boyfriend. It's really fucking sturdy and strong. Very dirty though. Had to do a lot to clean it, and it's still like not at 100%. But it works. This setup works. And I also, this is a cardboard thing to keep my Xbox from overheating because my mom's boyfriend built this a very long time ago for his Xbox 360. It used to overheat. My Xbox overheats every once in a blue moon when something goes wrong with it. Usually its fan just cuts out sometimes. Now this entire setup right here is not the best. Like eventually one day I want to replace my Xbox One with an Xbox One X, a new monitor, a new keyboard. I want to keep my PC, maybe even a new mouse. This entire setup right here is going to cost you about the price of an RTX 2080 Ti, and they've ranged from $1,300 to $1,400. Now that is not including all of the months I've spent on Xbox Live, or all the games I've bought on Steam, or my Xbox, or any of that, because then the price would probably be around $2,000. But yeah, just one more thing to add onto this video before it's finished. Might I recommend no one ever buying an Xbox, or a PlayStation for that matter? Not only are they both the same, but PlayStation just has more exclusives. The fact that you have to pay to change your name, you have to pay $10 to change your gamer tag, or the fact that you have to pay a monthly fee for playing online with your friends is ridiculous. Steam doesn't have any of that shit. I can play with anybody I want, for any amount of time, and change my name wherever the hell I want, all that for free. And the games are cheaper on Steam. So if you're going to do anything with building a setup, first you need a platform to play on. Do not get an Xbox. Do not get a PlayStation. Get a PC. It's too late for me. I've been gaming on Xbox since I was like 6. But whatever you do, don't buy an Xbox. But if you are looking for a headset, buy some Astros. My friend has the A10s. I have the A40s. The A50s look just disgusting. I'd have to get a mod pack for those. But the A40s are really customizable. Detachable mic. Great sound quality. Dolby 7.1. Customized equalizers. The mic is amazing. My computer's amazing. If you wanted to get some things for your setup, I hope this helped. And that's pretty much my setup that I literally just set up about 5 hours ago. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys a lot for 2018. I'm currently sitting at 74 subscribers right now, and that's fucking amazing. I'm hoping to hit maybe 150 this year. I don't know. That's a lot of growth, but I feel like I can do it because I've been doing really good with the channel lately, and I hope to continue that trend. But I don't know. I just have to keep grinding. My goal this year is to make a video a week, which would come out to 52. There's 52 or 53 weeks in a year. I don't fucking know. We'll say 53. We'll say 53 videos this year. Currently, I have... I don't know how many videos I have. But yeah, that is my setup. It's got a lot of improvement to do, and I hope hopefully before my birthday in February, I'm hoping I can get all the improvements done. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, and I will see you guys in 2019. Peace.